Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. NotebookLM, powered by Google's Gemini models, is an AI-powered research and writing assistant designed to help you organize, understand, and generate content from your own uploaded sources. For students, it can be a game changer in mastering study routines and academic research. This is its full guide. First, get into it by searching for it in your favorite browser. I'm inside Google Chrome. Now just type in NotebookLM, as you can see in here, and press on enter. You'll be brought into its homepage. Now we will need to create a new notebook. Click on create notebook to start a new workspace for your course on project. So give it a descriptive name like history or something, or biology. Now, phase one is to just organize your materials and even ingest them. So you can upload your sources right in here. You can upload lecture notes. Just upload any typed lecture notes like Google Docs, which are in Google Docs format, PDFs, or even text files. And you also have textbook chapters. Just scan relevant textbook chapters into PDFs or copy paste text. Upload any academic papers or articles assigned for readings. Now, you can also just paste URLs of relevant websites or online articles to just have web resources. You also have YouTube videos or audio. So if your professor posts lecture recordings on YouTube or you have audio files, just paste the links or upload the files in here. NotebookLM will transcribe them. Another important thing is that you can add up to 50 sources per notebook. So once uploaded, NotebookLM will automatically generate a source guide for each document, providing a summary and suggesting key topics and questions. Quickly scan these to get an initial grasp of the content. Another phase, which is the second phase, is to deep dive and understand. Generate a study guide. And in your notebook, you can just look for options to generate structured outputs that is often in an audio or notebook guide panel. So click generate study guide like this. A NotebookLM will create a comprehensive guide from all your uploaded sources. So it will even outline key concepts, terms, and potential quiz questions. Also, you can utilize interactive question and answer right here. So just ask any clarifying questions. So if a concept from your lecture notes is unclear, just ask NotebookLM right here to explain something. Maybe, for instance, an example is explain this report on pollination in simple terms. And you can also type in something like provide a real world example of pollination. You can also use cross-referencing, ask questions that span multiple documents, e.g. compare and contrast maybe theory A from theory B or something like that. And you can also test your knowledge here by asking it to generate quiz questions on a certain topic, or what are the main arguments for or against pollination or something like that. And you can now follow citations. Always check the citations provided by NotebookLM to go back to the original text for deeper understanding or verification. That's interesting. You can also create mind maps. So for complex topics with many interconnected ideas, just generate a mind map. This visual tool helps you see that relationship between different concepts, making it easier to remember and understand the overall structure. Just click on nodes in the mind map to get summaries of those specific topics. And you can also listen and learn with audio overviews. So before a long commute or while doing some course or while you are doing even some tasks, just generate an audio overview right here of your entire notebook or specific challenging documents. So just listen to the AI host discuss the key points.
All right, let's dive into something really fascinating today. We got a stack of sources that.
And this passive learning method can reinforce information. And another phase, which is the third phase, is preparing now for exams and assignments. So you can refine study materials here, and you can use the briefing docs feature right here to create super concise summaries of your core materials for last minute review. Just refine your study guide based on your question and answer sessions and areas you struggled with. You can also generate frequently asked questions for self quizzing or group study sessions. Another feature in here, you can get papers and essays. So you can just upload your research papers and notes into a notebook, and you can ask NotebookLM to generate an outline for an essay on something maybe like magnetism or something. or drawing from source A and source B. And then you can then use these outlines as a starting point, filling in your own detailed analysis and arguments. You can then brainstorm and generate ideas. So if you are stuck on a project or essay topic, just upload any relevant brainstorming notes or initial research. Ask Notebook LM to identify trends, generate new ideas related to something, or even generate new ideas related to magnetism, or uncover hidden opportunities that is within your sources. And these are just the pro tips for students. Chunk your topics. So, for very large or complex subjects, consider breaking them down into smaller, more manageable notebooks, or within a single notebook, create sections for subtopics. Now, you can also prompt iteratively. Don't be afraid to ask follow up questions to delve deeper into a topic or clarify specific points. Also, combine this with traditional methods. Notebook LM is a powerful assistant, but not a replacement. So, continue to take your own notes, engage in discussions, and seek clarification from even your professors. And you can verify your information also in here. While Notebook LM provides citations, always cross reference critical information with original sources to ensure accuracy and build your own understanding. And yeah, that's it. By integrating a notebook LM into a study routine, you can significantly enhance your ability to absorb, analyze, and apply information, ultimately leading to a more efficient and effective learning experience. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.